We're going to push past perfection by practicing painting potted plants in Procreate. Say that 5 times fast. If you've ever succumbed to the fear of the blank page, or if you've ever started on a piece of artwork but spent so much time trying to make it perfect that you never finished it, then you're probably a bit of a perfectionist, and I can completely relate. Hi, my name is Gia Graham, and I'm a full-time illustrator, hand lettering artist, and lifelong perfectionist. Recently, I've been actively working on embracing imperfection in life, but especially in my artwork, and I can admit I still have a long way to go. In many ways, perfectionism has served me well, driving me to create high-quality work. But I've also noticed that in many ways, it can stifle my creativity as well. There's a freedom and spontaneity that's lost when you're bogged down by perfecting every little detail. And that freedom is often what makes art resonate and connect. In this class, I'm going to share several easy exercises that will help you get out of your head so that you can get into the flow of art making without judgment. We will begin with a quick mark making exercise where we will test the 4 brushes we'll be using throughout the class. Then we will loosen up with a few warm-up exercises, followed by a series of 4 quick color sketches. Finally, we will bring all those techniques together as we create a perfectly imperfect digital painting of a potted plant. This class is ideal if you have experience with Procreate and you feel very comfortable with drawing in the app, and you're just looking for new ways to explore creatively. If you're ready to let loose, push past perfection, and inject more spontaneity into your drawing process, then let's get started.